To access your cPanel account with GoDaddy, start by logging in to your GoDaddy account on the company website. Once you have logged in, click on your profile picture or username in the top right corner. Then select My Account from the drop-down menu. Next, scroll down to the Web Hosting section and click on the Manage button next to your hosting plan. This will take you to the Account Manager page, where you can find the cPanel login information. Look for the cPanel Admin button and click on it to be taken directly to the cPanel login page. Alternatively, you can also click on the settings icon next to your hosting plan and select cPanel Admin from the drop-down menu. If you are accessing cPanel for the first time, you may be prompted to set up your cPanel account by creating a new username and password or using your existing GoDaddy credentials. Once you have logged into your cPanel account, you will have access to a wide range of tools and features that allow you to manage your website, including file management, database management, and email management. It is a good idea to familiarize yourself with the cPanel interface and explore the different sections and tools available to you. This will help you to get the most out of your cPanel account and effectively manage your website. In addition to accessing cPanel through the GoDaddy website, you can also access it directly by typing the cPanel URL into your web browser. The cPanel URL is typically in the format HTTP. yourdomain.com/cpanel, where yourdomain.com is your website domain name. However, accessing cPanel through the GoDaddy website is generally the recommended method, as it provides a secure and convenient way to manage your cPanel account. By following these steps, you should be able to access your cPanel account with GoDaddy and start managing your website. If you encounter any issues or have any questions, you can contact GoDaddy support for assistance.